Warmest wishes to the Muslim Ummah and the people of Pakistan on the blessed month of Ramadan, a month of mercy, forgiveness, and salvation. On this sacred occasion, Shama Homeo Clinic proudly announces a special offer: free checkup for all patients visiting the clinic, along with a 10% discount on all local and imported medicines. Online consultation is also available. Whether you are anywhere in Pakistan or anywhere in the world, you can avail a free online checkup during Ramadan and receive a 10% discount on all medicines. Address: Shama Homeo Clinic, Shama Plaza, Shama Metro Bus Station, Ferozepur Road, Lahore. For appointments, call +92 303 7578 803. Please note, this special offer is not available for patients contacting through any app. Shama Homeo Clinic, Sincerity, Care, and Health.